Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. But now let's talk about Kaspa, see what is happening on the daily time frame, and of course what we could be expecting going further, into this week. So if we're looking at the overall market, if you did watch my updates, which was yesterday, I did kind of discuss, market is seeing a little bit of a minor pullback, but you're starting to see a lot of coins going back into the green. We'll definitely take that. CAS is up 3.6% on the daily time frame, while the price is currently sitting at 17.82 cents. If we're looking at it on the BTC comparative side, I think it's about 4.8% increase, and market valuation is at $4.3 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at about $40 million. So things are looking great, especially when I pull out the charts. Things will make more sense. But before I do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So looking at the BTC dominance, you guys can see clearly that, the dominance index actually did go down. And at the same time, what we actually saw happening yesterday was that, the price of Bitcoin also saw a little bit of a minor pullback. And going back to what I've been saying over the past 2 to 3 videos, despite this massive move towards the upside for Bitcoin, I still do believe a $64,000 retest could be a very realistic move for the price of Bitcoin, believe it or not. Obviously, if we do break out of the key resistance at $67,000 once again, then, we could be having a different conversation. But there's this just gut feeling that I have that we do see a little bit of more pullback towards the downside, a little bit of a cool off to shake out all these positions, all these long positions that are piling up, because let's face it, the market sentiment right now is quite bullish. You're seeing once again that FOMO feeling coming in, and I'm sure it's no secret right now. So let's see what happens with BTC. But right now we're sitting at Bitcoin sitting at $66,000, but we're going to be monitoring the price of Bitcoin very closely. But now for focusing on Kaspa right now, Kaspa did something very interesting. So obviously I will bring exactly what that is. Right now, what you're looking at the price of Kaspa doing is it's, of course, in the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level. But I discussed with you guys yesterday that, Kaspa, number one, was lagging more than the overall market. And that is something we've been seeing over the past 1.5 weeks, because it's no secret that, we're seeing the overall market absolutely exploding over the course of the last 1.5 weeks. But you were seeing Kaspa, not reacting, in a major way like we have seen in the past. And I kind of gave you guys an indication that, hey, you know what, we need to think realistically. A lot of people don't think realistically. We just want to get that continuation, green, because that's how our brain fuels our excitement. And because, once you see these types of moves, let me just go back a few seconds. When you really see and witness these types of moves, you can get hooked to them. And then, if that is your first big move in crypto, and then you see some massive pullbacks, retracement, that could be something that can cause you to kind of get really frustrated and have that feeling of, oh, this is it, what is this, and all that stuff. But you're seeing Kaspa holding really good. I've been saying from the beginning, yes, you will see this project, despite it being a very promising project, a lot of people being excited, a lot of high expectations for Kaspa. But regardless of that, you will still continue to see sharp drops for Kaspa. Reason why that's the case is because low trading volume, and it's listed on some exchanges, and as far as centralized exchanges goes, the big ones, it's not as of now listed on those platforms. But right now, what you are looking at Kaspa that did kind of surprise me is the fact that we did see that 17.1 cents retest, but Kaspa actually went up back to pretty much where it left off, so about a 5% move towards the upside. And that is really nice to see, especially if I look at it on the hourly time frame. If we monitor it that way, it would make more sense. So let me just shift our focus towards that, the hourly time frame. There we are. So pretty much, that's not what we need. We need to, yeah, there you go. So you can see this for yourself. The price of Kaspa did make a move up very, very fast, with a little bit of a move from Bitcoin, because you can see this for yourself as well. Bitcoin has seen a little bit of move towards the upside, because of course we did see BTC go down to $65,367, and Kaspa really reacted in a positive way right now. But what you're looking at right now, Kaspa do is it is trying to break out towards the upside, and I think this could be the turning point. This could be the turning point. But we need to get into the red zone, which is the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level before we can start getting excited. That is the level. And the reason why that is such an important level is, of course, number one, this is where we can start having all-time high talks. Not only that, look at the significance of this. Several different retests that got rejected over the course of the last 1.5 weeks. And that should just give you, a clear indication how important this level really is. But I do believe if we're able to, retest this support and actually bounce back up, back to where we were in, less than 24 hours, that would be very, very interesting to see. And let's face it, that is not a big move. That is not a major move by no means. That's only a move of about 2.3% for the price of Kaspa to get back into the 23.6. So if it's able to do that and actually have that close that I've been talking about to you guys over the past few days, I do project, we could start heading towards, some of these all-time high prices. So, we could see some very exciting move for Kaspa. Stay very tuned. Let me know down below what you guys think. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.